Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. And we're there back in the music club, people. And you see what we are dealing with today. Yeah, man, we got another mad tune, another mad vibes we're going to check out today. You see from the title already, so you already know what we're here for. You know what I'm saying? But before that, guys, I just want to take this time. To check in with you. Let me know how you doing today. You taking care of yourself? You've been drinking your water? You've been staying prayed up? Remember, you know, no matter what you're doing, you still need God in your life. You know, so you have to stay prayed up in that. Yeah, man, you've been staying on your purpose and on your goals. You've been taking steps towards your dreams and your goals. Make sure, you know. You see me? Make sure. Because you don't know. You're going to make every day a count. You have one life to live and have to make the most of it. But yeah, man, guys, let's see what we'll deal with today, man. Today, we got... this was requested. This was actually requested by one of our family members right now, if I can remember, and they're gonna go vex with me, you know, dog. I'm gonna give them proper shout out, you know, cause yeah, man, Jano style look like some delete it, you know. Jano style look like some delete it, you know, dog. Oh gosh. But yeah, man, this one was requested by one of our family members. Let me see if we can find them and thing. Yeah, man, but this is also an artist that's no stranger to the channel. We reacted to them before. You see me? And they have vibes, they have energy, they got a different style. They know too in the chopper thing and the badman thing. They're more in the party, have a fun, have a good time thing. Not saying the man a bad man, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, who me talk about Roze done. Yeah, man, Roze done. Yeah, man, Roze done drop a new chunk entitled Bakshat. Yeah, and apparently the girl them love it and thing, and it's a vibe. So it was actually requested by one of our family members to check it out and see what go on. And that's what we are doing today. But right now, me can't even find them name to give them shout out, dog. That don't look good, dog. I try to find them right now so you can get a proper credit on them thing, you know, dog. Yeah, man, cause yeah, man, Roze is definitely a vibe, and I'm trying to find our family member that requested this. Jano Star, me feel a way if I don't find their name. Jano, where there? Yo, pop up the man. Jano Star. Oh, bro, Blu-ray, are you? Blu-ray. Come on now, Blu-ray is no stranger to yeah. Blu-ray requested this one. Roze done Bakshat, I'm gonna check it out and see what go on. Blu-ray, big up yourself, dog. Always send you request them, always active on the channel. I'm love to see that. See me? Big up yourself. But yeah, man, guys, we're not gonna hold up the vibe much longer. We'll jump right in the track. This is Roze done Bakshat. Let's get it.
You see you, Miss Little and Cute. More you said.
Miss Little and Cute. You see you? Yo, yeah, man, and you like, you know, Miss Little and Cute. You see you? It's about you, no, be yourself. I jump right in the track, bro. Roze done, do you think?
Sit like so.
Yo, no or never is everywhere, bro. Who will know or never, dog? Cause it's come like you're in every blowout video now, dog. I want to go on.
Yeah.
Dog, I just choke. Yo, easy, no? Dog, it's CDL.
A buck for me. Yeah, she like Bakshat. Pangong and matcha.
Yeah, man. We love that. We love that. We love see woman and wine, you know. There's something about whining that's so much better than twerking, bro. I can never get it. You see me? It's just something about whining. We just look way better than twerking. You just look when you get
so cocky and I make eye contact looking at me eye. Bad girl, you a top notch pussy don't sick, you know.
Bad girl, you a top notch pussy don't sick. Easy no man.
Bank go a doctor.
If you got a doctor, man, watch ya.
Easy. Your back feet Bakshat. Yeah. Underneath and on a black spot. Your pussy a grip like rat trap.
And you know on a black spot, your pussy a grip like rat trap.
Unknown feet. She na na body and little bit of breast. Fat up in her shorts and she cock up in her chest. Woulda come in your belly, but me come in your neck. Cocky bend up in her.
Say she na na body and a little bit of breast. Fat up in her shorts and cock up in her dress. The only thing I have to ask do Roze, if she na na body and a little bit of breast, how she fi cock up in her shorts and fat up in her dress, eh? You know, just say the girl maga from where you just say, yeah, say girl maga like a string, you know, brother. That's what you just say.
My belly when you bend up in a zed. Skin out pan the bed now. Put your tongue on my big body head. All fucky, she a cocky take a wreck. She don't want to
What you mean? Where the cocky take a rig them there? Eh? Where the take a rig them there? Yes.
dump on the peg.
Yo, she got such a Jamaican face, bro. Like she got such a Jamaican face and body, everything, dog.
She like Bakshat, Panjessa and whatnot. She a so cocky and I make eye contact. Top freak, you a top notch.
See, tell me so that
Pussy
better
don't
than when I
sick
get
and I
hurt. I
want
get
to
a white,
attack
easy,
that.
no?
No sir, cock it up feet Bakshat. She poppy Molly with the ganja, madras. When she call me a fiance.
Say Poppy Molly with the concha. What? Molly and what now mix nowadays?
She said come feet. She not really like man, so she fuck girl too. Enough girl too. Come on,
She not really like man, so she fuck girl too. Enough girl too.
show me what your tongue can do. All she do I eat, sleep and fuck man good. Your pussy not shut and have gun pan you.
Yeah, that's all I do nowadays. Eat and sleep and fuck man good. That's all I do these days.
A girl a chat, she not have nothing pan you. Give me the pussy if that you want to. No, me we pay fee cash. She like Bakshat, pang dung and matcha. She a so cocky and I make eye contact. Me groupie girl, she a
Yeah, some demon girl, you know, the girl where suck off thing and looking at your eye. Yeah, demons them man. Yeah man, them girl different, them meds different. Deadly piece of girl them man. So when them and looking at
top notch pussy don't sick, you know want go attack that. Turn round feet Bakshat. Underneath you know on a black spot. Your pussy a grip like rat chop. Turn round feet.
Yeah man, this the dog song they always have a vibe. Big up yourself, Roze Dan. The song they always have a vibe, the truck are clean though, the dog are dry though. No, I never there, everywhere I go on. Yo, that mad. Big up yourself, Roze Dan. Yeah man, guys. Let me know one thing about the one day. That one was a vibe or what? You like the energy, the lyrics, the video, the y'all let me know the video. Oh god, let me know one thing about the one day. The one day was really dope, man. Like the energy. I know every song have to be about chopper. I know every song have to be about bad man. I know every song have to be about scamming. Sometimes I just want to hear something nice. You know what I'm saying? For the girl, man, if you guys just have a vibe, just party, enjoy and have fun. Sometimes that's all we need from a song, you know. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Roze Dan. People may know one thing about the one day. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Yeah, man. And let me know what you want me to react to next. You definitely get your shout outs, you see your comments, all that, guys. Definitely take care of you guys. And you already know. Yeah, let me know what to react to next and I'll get it done. You know, keep sending requests in, keep showing the support, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing. You don't know we're going strong over here. I can take over the YouTube thing, guys. I appreciate the love and support. You don't know. Till next time, it's your boy Jambisco. You see me? Till next time, it's your boy Jambisco. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.